Assalamu alaikum everybody, and welcome back to our next lesson in Learn to Read Qur'an, which is our course for people who want to learn how to read Qur'an in Arabic with no prior knowledge of Arabic at all. So we've gone through the alphabet and we've looked at how the letters will seem at the beginning and middle and end of a word. So in this time's lesson, we're actually going to practice that knowledge by looking at letter forms and hopefully recognizing them. So this is our exercise on letter forms, and let's make a start. I'm going to read them out, and hopefully you'll be saying to yourself, oh yes, I knew that. Oh yes, I got that right, because hopefully you will be able to recognize all of the letters here. So remember, first of all, remember this will be called Hamza. You won't be mentioning the Alif, because we remember from last time's lesson, we found out that when a Hamza is carried on a letter, you don't mention the letter itself that it's sitting on. You just actually say, right, this is a Hamza. So that one there at the beginning, right at the beginning, is the letter Hamza. Okay, then let's move on. This one here is Zal. Then you have Alif. I can say that's Alif because there's no letter Hamza lurking around on top or at the bottom of it. So this is definitely an Alif. Sad, Ba, Ra, Fa, Ta, Ha, Mim, Ra, Jim. Line 2. Zal, Ha, Ba, Kha, Ta, Mim, Kaf, Zal, Ba, Ain, Za, Mim. Let's keep going. Line 3. Za, Ain, Mim, Ra, Jim, Ain, Kaf, Sin, Ba. So these are all actual words from the Qur'an. And what you can see here is that they haven't quite been put together, almost like I've rubbed out the spaces in between, just so that you can hopefully recognize the letters without having to break out in too much of a sweat. We'll carry on. Line 4. Fa, Ra, Dad, Hamza. Hope I didn't catch anyone out with that one. Remember, we're not going to say Alif, we're going to say Hamza. Kaf, Lam, Ta, Qaf, Ain, Ain, Dhal, Alif, Ba. Line 5. Ra, Sin, Lam, Kaf. So you can see here this Lam would have joined up here, whereas if you look at the Alif here, it has no intention of joining up to the Ba after it. So you can tell that at least this is one way of at least trying to tell the difference between an Alif that we've got here and a Lam that we've got there. Okay, I'll move on. Mim, Ain, Ha, Mim, Fa, Ba, ha, ta. Let's move on to line 6. Ain, sheen, ra. And this letter here, we've met it before, haven't we? This is a ta. It's a tied up ta, but we're going to just say it's ta because it does have its 2 dots, and this is how we can tell it's ta. Hamza, lam, ya. Remember, ya had 2 dots that appear either when the ya is at the beginning or the middle. Here, the ya is in the middle, so we have these 2 dots. Kaf, ya. Again, ya is at the beginning, so it takes these 2 dots. Hamza. Here the Hamza is sat on top of the waw, but I still won't say that it's a waw. I will say it's a Hamza. Mim, noon. Ra, ba, ha, ta, fa, mim, ra, ta, kaf, noon, ta, mim. We're on the bottom line. We're nearly there. We've nearly finished. Mim, noon, ha, alif, sin, hamza, lam, ta, mim, kha, lam, fa, ha, alif. So there we are. We've finished the page. This was page 12 from the booklet. Hopefully you've all had a chance to download it or print it out. And that was exercise on the letter forms. So again, look through the video as many times as you need to make sure that you've got these letters in place in your mind, and then join me next time when we carry on and we look at some vowels. Excitement, yes, heads up, we're going to be looking at vowels next time. So inshallah, see you all next time. Assalamu alaikum.